Hi guys, welcome back to channel. Today we are discussing how to apply Australia visa online. So Australia we have a two option we have to do for the application. First step will be the online application lodgement. For that we are using this website IMI accounts online.imi.gov.au. That is a site for online application lodgement. After we completed the online application, second step will be the VFS. We have to book appointment for the VFS for the biometric. Like that the process. From here we have to select visitor visa. And from visitor visa we have to select visa subclass 600 visitor visa, because e-visitor only applicable for some certain nationality. They have a ETA option. So Indians and some other nationality we have to apply visa subclass 600 visitor visa category. So click on that, then we can further able to fill the application. From here we have to acknowledge terms and condition. After that put on next, click on next, and here as the applicant outside of Canada, yes. And here we have to mention our current location, where we are locating. So I'm just mentioning here India, and the legal status citizen, and the purpose of visit I'm just mentioning here tourism. There are other purpose also, so you have to mention as per your purpose. So for the application related reference, I'm just mentioning here random information. So when you're filling application, consider your document. Are you watching my channel first time? Please subscribe. So after this section, next will be we have to mention our personal details and passport details. Like here we have to mention our name as per the passport number, and nationality, date of issue, date of expiry, place of issue, and all this information we have to mention. National identity card, you can mention Aadhaar card details over there, like Aadhaar card number, when it was issued, and your name as per Aadhaar card and issuing authority. From here, click on add and mention your details and save it. On this section, they are asking our country of residence. So I'm mentioning here India, a department office. So New Delhi. We don't need to visit New Delhi. This is just for application processing office. So we have to select based on our country of residence and where you're locating. So I'm just selecting here New Delhi and our residence address. Everything we have to mention here: residence address and town, province, and telephone number, email ID. Everything we have to clearly mention here. On this section, we have to mention our length of stay in Australia, planned arrival date and departure date. So length of stay for this first time application, we can mention up to 3 months. If we have previously have a visa, then mention 6 months or 12 months for the better approval chances. And mention your travel date. And there are some other question also they mention. Studying while in Australia. Will the applicant undertake course of study in Australia? That is possible for tourist visa. You can take short-term courses also. That's why they're asking. If he's taking some courses, then you can mention yes or else no. And here our employment details. What kind of employment you are doing, your profession, organization, organization address, contact number, email ID, everything you have to mention here. This section we have to mention our financial support, who is bearing the expenses. So you can mention self-funded, or if you have any sponsor, you can mention here the sponsor detail. Next section will be health declaration. By default, most of the question will be no. You can see here, does any applicant intend to enter hospital or healthcare facility? There are a lot of questions they are asking. By default, you can mention here no. You can read and put it no. Next section, character declaration. This also by default no. You can read it and mention here. All the question by default no. We have to mention no. After that, visa history. Visa history, you can read it, and mostly the answer will be no. And if you anything you need to declare, you can mention yes and you can explain. Now we reach final declaration, and here by default all the question will be yes. So we have to mark yes, yes, yes. You can read it and you can do it. After that, you can see there is a priority consideration, fast track service. With the additional charges, $1,000 they are charging. It means you will get a expedite update about visa application. So if you want, you can take it or else skip. You need to pay $1,000. So this is a section for application for review, which we fill it. Any amendment you can do from here, or else click on next. And next section will be documentation upload. We have to upload all the document. Here you can see we have to upload passport copy, your photo, your national ID copy, that is Aadhaar card copy, and your employment proof, your bank statement, and your previous visited country details. Everything we have to mention here. So I have uploaded some dummy document here. First, passport copy and national ID, Aadhaar card copy, and evidence of applicant previous travel history, entry exit stamp copy, and family registration composition form. That is actually optional. You can take this form from the PDF, like form 54 family composition. You will get in PDF in Google. Just download it and you can fill it and you can upload. Like that you can do it. And our trip plan, like itinerary, hotel ticket reservation, and evidence of financial, bank statement, or any other fund you have, you can upload that source also. And evidence of employment, that is payment slip or a letter of employer, those things you can upload, and click on next. After uploading all document, next step will be the payment. Payment we have to make by Australian dollar. 195 Australian dollar we have to make by card. Submit here. Now it will be redirect to payment gateway, and you can see here 195 Australian dollar, and there are three options for payment: debit or credit card, PayPal, Union Pay. And BPay only applicable if you are in Australia with your Australian bank account holder, like that. After you make the payment, after some time you will get biometric letter. Then biometric letter, with the biometric letter we can book the appointment in VFS. Then you have to go the VFS for the biometric along with the original passport and your biometric letter copy and your appointment letter. Just do the biometric and you will get an update within 2 weeks, like that the process. So once the visa is approved, you will get by email. It's an e-visa, like that the process is going on. Hope you guys understand about Australia visa. Any question, any doubt, you can put on comment. If you are looking for Australia visa assistance, we can help you from anywhere. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on a session. Thank you.